Very warm greetings, my dear friends. In this video, we are studying about derivative of the function. A function is given. How we are finding the derivative of the given function y equal to fx. Using the limit concept, we are defining the derivative of the function at a particular point x equal to a. Let f of x be a function defined in an open interval containing a. The derivative of the function fx at a denoted by f dash of a is defined by f dash of a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus fa divided by h, provided this limit exists. So in the previous video, we studied about the slope of the tangent line at a particular point x equal to a for the given graph y equal to f of x. So that is denoted by m10. M10, what is the rule I gave to you? Same rule here for derivative also. So slope of the tangent line at the particular point x equal to a is called derivative of the function f of x. Here fx equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Find f dash of 1. So in the previous slide, I gave the rule for f dash of a. Here a equal to 1. What is fx here? First we can write fx equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. And what is a value? So this is our a value, a equal to 1. Immediately you can find out what is fa. Fa means f1. In fx, x replaced by 1. So 1 square plus 3 times 1 plus 2 equal to 6. Next we can find out f of a plus h, a value 1, f of 1 plus h equal to, in fx, x replaced by 1 plus h. So 1 plus h square plus 3 times 1 plus h plus 2. We can simplify this. 1 square plus h square plus 2 times 1 times h, 2h, plus 3 times 1 plus 3 times h plus 2 equal to h square, here 2h and 3h, so totally 5h, then 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, it is 6. Next we can find out what is f of a plus h minus f equal to h square plus 5h plus 6, then minus 6. F of a plus h is h square plus 5h plus 6. F of a is 6. So simplify this, we can get h square plus 5h. Now we can write the formula for finding f dash of 1. Now we are finding f dash of 1. For that first, we can write the rule for f dash of a. What is f dash of a? f dash of a equal to, it is a derivative of f of x at x equal to a. Okay, so f dash of a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f a over h. So a value 1 here, so f dash of 1 equal to limit h tends to 0. This numerator already we found, it is h square plus 5h over h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. H is common term, we can take outside. We can write the numerator as h times h plus 5 over h. This h and this h we can delete, equal to limit h tends to 0 h plus 5. H replaced by 0, we are having 0 plus 5 equal to 5. So here fx equal to square root of x. The question is find f dash of a if a equal to 4. The same question it will ask to you. Find f dash of 4. Both are same. Like previous problem, it is f dash of 1. Find f dash of 1. Here f dash of 4. Okay. So what is the same concept? What is given function? Fx equal to square root of x, and here clearly mentioned a equal to 4. How to find out f of a? F of a equal to f of 4. F of 4 equal to square root of 4. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Next, f of a plus h. F of a value 4. 4 plus h equal to square root of 4 plus h. Now we can find out f of a plus h minus fa equal to square root of 4 plus h, fa equal to 2. Now we are going to find out f dash of 4. For that, first we have to recall the rule. What is f dash of a? The derivative of f of x at x equal to a. Limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus fa over h. Now all the values you can replace. F dash of a can be written as f dash of 4. F of a plus h minus fa, which is equal to square root of 4 plus h minus 2. Okay, everything we can replace. This gives f dash of 4 equal to limit h tends to 0. What is f of a plus h minus f of a? Square root of 4 plus h minus 2 divided by h. How we are finding the limit of this function? We have to multiply and divide by conjugate of the numerator. where square root available. So I have tried here square root of 4 plus h minus 2 divided by h multiply by square root of 4 plus h plus 2. Same thing we can divide. Square root of 4 plus h plus 2 equal to limit h tends to 0. Numerator you have to see a minus b time a plus b. We can recall the rule a minus b time a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here a value square root of 4 plus h. Square root of 4 plus h. So a square minus b value is 2. So b square is 2 square over h multiply square root of 4 plus h plus 2 equal to limit h tends to 0. Numerator you have to see square root of 4 plus h square. So we can have 4 plus h minus 2 square, it is 4 over h multiply square root of 4 plus h plus 2. Here I have to see plus 4 minus 4 I can take. Numerator is only h. So here h and this h I can delete. So finally we have limit h tends to 0. Numerator is 1 divided by 4 plus h then plus 2. Square root of 4 plus h plus 2. Now h replaced by 0. 1 divided by square root of 4 plus 0 plus 2. So you can simplify this. Square root of 4 plus 0 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So final answer f dash of 4 equal to 1 by 4. So here you have to say fx equal to 1 by x cube. The question is find f dash of a if a equal to 1 or find f dash of 1. So it is like our previous problem, the same concept, same style. So what is fx? Fx equal to 1 by x cube and here a equal to our first step. What is fa? What is fa? A replaced by 1, so f1. f1 equal to in fx, x replaced by 1. 1 by 1 cube. So it is 1. Next we have to find out f of a plus h equal to f of 1 plus h equal to what is f of 1 plus h? In fx, x replaced by 1 plus h. So 1 divided by 1 plus h cube. This gives, now we have to subtract this. F of a plus h minus fa equal to 1 divided by 1 plus h cube minus fa is 1 equal to denominator is 1 plus h cube. Numerator is 1 minus 1 plus h cube, which is equal to 1 plus h cube in the denominator numerator is 1 minus. This is looking like a plus b cube. So what is the rule we have? A plus b the whole cube equal to, recall the rule, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Replace here a value 1, b value h. 1 cube, it is 1 plus 3 a value 1. So 3a square. So it is 3 1 square. It is 3 b value h. 3h. Then plus 3ab square. A value 1, b value h. So 3h square. Then plus b cube is h cube equal to, denominator is 1 plus h cube. Numerator you have to see here, plus 1 minus 1 will be deleted. So remaining term I can write, we have h cube plus 3h square plus 3h. So this is our f of a plus h minus fa. Now we are writing the rule for the derivative. What is f dash of a? Derivative of fx at x equal to a. It is a meaning. Limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus fa over h. So we have to find out f dash of a value 1. So this value we have to replace. Limit h tends to 0. What is the numerator? Earlier we found minus h cube plus 3h square plus 3h over h. So numerator you have to see, h is available in all the term. It is common. We can take outside the bracket. So minus h time. Remaining is h square plus 3h plus 3 over h. This h and this h I can delete. Now limit h tends to 0. Minus of h square plus 3h plus 3. By direct substitution, h replaced by 0, what we have, which is equal to minus. Now we have the definition. Derivative of a function or derivative function. Let f be a given function. The derivative function is denoted by f dash. So the derivative function f dash of x is defined by limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. A function fx is said to be differentiable at a if f dash of a exists. A function is said to be differentiable on S if it is differentiable at every point in an open set S. and a differentiable function is one in which f dash of x exists on its domain. The process of finding derivative is called differentiation. Here we have the problem. Using the definition of a derivative, find the derivative of fx equal to x square minus 6x. So using the derivative definition, just to recall the formula, we can get the answer by direct substitution. So what is fx here? Fx equal to x square minus 6x. Then we can find out f of x plus h in the function fx, x replaced by x plus h. So x plus h square minus 6 times x plus h, which is equal to x square plus 2xh plus h square minus 6x minus 6h. Then we can find out f of x plus h minus f of x. Just to replace the value, x square plus 2xh plus h square minus 6x minus 6h minus fx value x square minus 6x, which is equal to x square plus 2xh plus h square minus 6x minus 6h minus x square plus 6x. How to see here? Plus x square minus x square, we can delete. Minus 6x plus 6x also we can delete. So remaining is h square plus 2xh minus 6h. Now we can recall and write the definition of derivative or rule. What is f dash of x? Equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This numerator already we found. Limit h tends to 0 h square plus 2xh minus 6h over h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Numerator you can see all the term contain h. So we can take h is common and we can write as h times inside h plus 2x minus 6 over h. This h and this h will be deleted. Now h replaced by 0, 0 plus 2x minus 6, which is equal to 2x minus 6. That is our f dash of x. Now we have the problem. A function which is a two-valued function, we have to check whether the given function is differentiable at the particular point or not differentiable. So here what is the problem? Use the definition of derivative to check whether the given function is differentiable at x equal to 1 or not. If x is given, it is two-valued function. So what is a value? X equal to 1 means here a value is given, a equal to 1. So particular point we have to check the given function is differentiable or not. Differentiable means derivative available or not, we will check. If derivative available, we can say differentiable. F dash of 1 available or f dash of 1 exists, then we can say it is differentiable at x equal to a. So as usual, so we have to write this our fx. So what is our fx? Fx equal to, previously all the problems are single valued function, now two valued. 2 times square root of x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. When x lies between 0 and 1, fx value 2 times root x. When x is greater than 1, fx value is 3x minus 1. Same idea, we have to find out what is f of a. So what is a value? A equal to 1 here. So I am finding f of a. F of a means f of 1. What is f of 1? In this, you have to see f of 1 means 1 x value take 1. What is f of x value? So it is 2 times root 1 equal to 2. Next we have to find out f of a plus h, which is equal to f of a value 1, 1 plus h. 1 plus h means it is more than 1. So which value you have to take? X is greater than 1. This value 3x minus 1. Fx equal to 3x minus 1. So but here what is fx? X value 1 plus h. So 3 times x replaced by 1 plus h minus 1. Simplify this. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times h, then minus 1 equal to 2 plus 3h. Now we have to find out f of a plus h minus f of a. What is f of a plus h? We have 2 plus 3h. Then f of a value 2, which is equal to 3h. Now recall the rule for the derivative at x equal to a, that is f dash of a. So f dash of a equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a over h. which is equal to limit s tends to 0. What is left side? F dash of 1, a value 1. Limit s tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a, it is 3h and over h. H will be deleted. Now applying the limit, we have the answer 3. So f dash of 1 equal to 3, and hence f of x is differentiable at x equal to 1. Thank you for watching this video.